Welcome back to the Dataspectra tutorial video. In this section, I will walk through how to set up the Google Cloud platform for your Dataspectra website. The Google Cloud is necessary because it will not only host your website for you, it will also store your data in a way that users can query the information quickly. It's free or nearly free for simple web visualizations, and it's easy to work with. It's also a great service because you can add tools such as Google Analytics or hook it up to your own domain name. The process that I will show you is the same for anyone who wants to develop with Google Cloud Platform. They have documentation for these steps on their website, but I will walk through it to streamline the process for you. There are two main parts to this process. First, we will set up a Google Cloud Platform account. And second, we will install and set up the Google Cloud Software Development Toolkit. This is so that your computer can send your data to the Google servers. To set up a Google Cloud Platform account, first you will need to open up your browser and log into your regular Google account. Then visit cloud.google.com, click Console in the upper right corner, and agree to the terms of service. Next, to create a project for your website, click Select a Project at the top, and then click on the plus sign at the top right. We will then give our project a name. This name will also link it to a unique project ID. This ID is important because it will become the web address for your project. For each cloud platform project, Google will give you a free web address. It will be your projectid.appspot.com. As you type a name in, you will see a statement below that says your project ID will be blank. This may include numbers. As a tip, if your name is unique enough, you won't automatically have numbers added to your project ID. For demonstration purposes, I am naming mine BrainSpan Demo. You will have to choose a different name since I took that one already. Remember your project ID. We'll need it for the next video. Click Create to create your project. Now, as you can see in the right corner, your project is activating. This may take a minute. After your project is activated, let's click on Select a Project at the top and open up the one that you just created. We will now activate various components that Dataspectra needs. For the fast web queries, we will be storing your data in the data store. To activate it, on the left sidebar, scroll down to Data Store and click it. Click on Create Entity and select the region that is closest to you. Click Next and wait while the data store is activating. Once it's activated, you don't need to create an entity. Next, we'll have to activate our budget. Although using Dataspectra is free, hosting your website on Google Cloud Platform requires billing to be activated. Most Dataspectra sites will cost next to nothing, so I wouldn't worry about the cost. The nice thing is that we can also set a budget so that you won't be charged more than you want. So next, click on the menu at the top left and click on Billing. Click Link a Billing Account and create a billing account. Fill out the billing information and it'll take you back to the overview. To set a budget, click on Budgets and Alerts on the left sidebar. Create Budget. Put in a budget name and your spending limit. I'll put $10 here. Then save your settings. Next, we will install the Google Cloud Software Development Toolkit. The Google Cloud Software Development Toolkit will be used to send the large dataset on your computer to the Google Cloud server. To install it, open a new browser window and go to cloud.google.com/sdk/docs. Download the latest version, then move the downloaded file to your desktop. Double-click the file to extract it, and you should have a folder that says Google Cloud SDK. Then we will need to open up the terminal. The terminal can be found in your Finder, Application, and then Utilities. Once your terminal is opened, Open up your Google Cloud SDK folder on your desktop and drag and drop the install.sh file onto the terminal window. Then, continue to press Return to accept all of the settings. Finally, we just need to authenticate the development toolkit so that it knows to connect to your Google Cloud Platform account. To do so, go back to the Cloud Platform console by going to console.cloud.google.com, click on the left menu bar, then hover over APIs and Services and click on Credentials. Next, click Create Credentials and select Service Account Key. Under Service Account, choose App Engine Default Service Account and click Create. A file will be downloaded to your computer. Let's move that file to your Google Cloud SDK folder. To complete this authentication step, go back to your terminal window, type in gcloud auth login, and press Enter. Your browser should pop up and select the account that you used, and now your authentication should be complete. Now we are done with step 2. The next step is the easiest, and that is where we will install and run Dataspectra. Please watch the next video to learn more. Thank you for watching.